Hey everyone, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a party haul. These are all the items I closed out in my party that I closed on the 1st with my holiday stuff. It's everything except for my holiday stuff. So since I already showed you that, this is pretty much everything else that I got in the order with the holiday items. So they are running a special in October for anybody who has a party over $500, regardless if it started in October. As long as it closes in October, you're getting a host reward. And for the US, the host reward, which I was able to get from this party, which I'm really excited about, was the Scentsy blanket, which it's right here. Gemma already somewhat claimed this blanket. I just wanted to open it to feel how soft it was. You guys, it's so soft. It has a little tag if you wanted to like gift this, but I do believe this side is leopard and then the other side is white and it says Scentsy at the bottom in purple. It's so cozy. And what a nice like little extra touch. I mean, my party was over $500. It's not like I had to go out and like specifically buy this blanket. It just came with my party order. And even if you're like, oh my gosh, how do I let my host know? You don't even have to do anything specific as, oh sorry, for your sponsor. Like if you're hosting a party through your sponsor, your consultant, not your sponsor, what am I saying? If you're hosting a party through your consultant, they just have to submit your order. They don't even have to like specifically add anything. Like they really can't mess it up. It's auto-generated by Scentsy when your party closes over $500, and it's only in October. And then also along with the blanket, in the US, we are getting the Scentsy mug. And you guys, this is a hefty mug. It's like almost the size of my face. It is a very large mug. It says warm the heart, enliven the senses, inspire the soul. Scentsy in the back, and it's very big. It's like the classic curve shape here. So I'm really excited. It's a very big mug, and I absolutely love that. It says on the bottom it is dishwasher and microwavable safe. So I think depending on which region you're in case you're watching this from another region, there are different prizes. I think the blanket's for everyone, and then maybe I think somebody has a backpack and somebody else has a different thing. I'm not exactly positive. I did get a pack of just like Scentsy order bags, kind of some businessy stuff. I did also get, because I wanted to try these out and I think I'm going to sample these out as well, the Cloudberry Dream Washer With in just the small container. I've heard from people who don't actually like the scent of Cloudberry Dreams, which is me as well, that these are actually pretty good. I know Etta specifically has talked about that. And honestly, I mean, they're a little bit floral, but I don't get like specifically rose like choking me out. And they smell very strong, like they're gonna be really good performers. So I might do a test load and then I'll probably sample some of those out to some of my VIP customers. I got, should I start with the warmers or what? Probably the biggest thing I got in this order is I got another air purifier, you guys. I had enough free credit to order an air purifier, and so basically Corey was like, I'd really like an air purifier for the bedroom to replace our fan at night, because the fan just gets so gunked up and it's starting to like make funky noises because it's gunked up, and I'm like, it's just blowing all the gunk around the room. Like if we could just have this going at night, it would double as white noise and so like a fan and clean the air at the same time. And there's absolutely no light on it. If you want, you can totally turn the lights off. So I'm like, Corey, I think, it's time. And then I told him we could get it for free with my free party credit, and he was like, okay, let's do it. So I got another air purifier. I am so excited. I was just waiting for this to come and then to do this video because I really want to set this up. I'll probably set it up tonight so you can use it in the room, honestly. Okay. So that is like the biggest thing from this order. I got another etched core as a gift. If you guys know, I'm collecting these as gifts because we have a ton of friends' weddings and house moves and, you know, all the things we're getting little gifts for. This is just such a simple mini warmer, and I thought it's so simple to give as a gift. So I'm kind of just collecting those as I close out parties and have free shipping. We have Gemma here. She is back to terrorize the town. I ended up, when I closed this party, which mind you was at like 2 a.m. on the 1st. So not that I was a little groggy, but I mean, it was the middle of the night, let's be honest. So I ended up having like $20 of free credit that kind of came out of nowhere. Gem, try and eat the plastic bag. I see you. $20 of free credit that kind of like snuck up on me, like I wasn't accounting for it. And so I ended up getting the Perfect Pearl mini warmer. And me in my sleep-in state was like, yeah, I'll just put it on my glass mini warmer base. I don't have a glass mini warmer base. I have 2 ceramics, but no glass. So I'll probably end up potentially getting a glass mini warmer base. I don't know what I was thinking. I literally placed the order and then I was like, wait a minute, I don't know if I actually have a glass mini warmer base. So I don't have the ability to plug this in for you guys, but it's definitely very reflective. And I don't know if you can tell, like, oh my gosh, it's just so reflective. I don't know if you can tell, but it has all these like little like dots almost. Can you see those? It has all these little dots almost, and it's very, very pearlescent. Like, it's kind of more white pearl at the top, and then as it goes down, it's a little bit more like gold pearl. And then it does go on our glass base. So if I had a glass mini warmer stand, I would definitely put it on there like I thought I was going to in the beginning. I may end up just putting it in our room and replacing is it the glitter magenta warmer that came out on Valentine's Day, which is a glass warmer. I have that in the room right now. But I think this one's so cute. And also with the 15-watt colored bulbs, you can switch this one up, and they have pictures of it in the catalog. It looks so, so cool. So I could see myself totally doing that as well. But I don't know how the oversight happened that I thought I had a glass warmer base for a mini warmer, and I definitely do not. So, but I think I ended up only paying like 20 cents for this warmer, like I said. So worst case, if I keep it, if I get rid of it, whatever, I was like, I have to use my free credit, you know what I mean? I can't just let it go to waste. So really excited about that one. Okay, next, everything else is just some consumable stuff. So we have 2 pods to start with. I have baked apple pie and bright cider life, very seasonally appropriate. Let's just get this out of the way. It's like really random. This was in the clearance for like $1 or $2, so I was like, okay, I have to try it. It's the coconut daiquiri scented bracelet. And I have a feeling, I don't know if I want to open this because, I mean, it's very, very yellow on the back. Like, it's been sitting in the warehouse. I don't think these did very well, but like I said, they were like $1 or $2. Gem. Are you being naughty? Yeah, just sit down. It's okay. They were like $1 or $2 in the clearance, so I was like, okay, and I think they even reduced them even more during the last clearance update. Trying to distract Emma, it's not going well. So basically, I might put this on. So it smells like coconut daiquiri. It's literally just like a bracelet that's scented. I don't know, I think if I enjoy it, I'll end up just picking up more in the clearance because why not? Like, if they're still in there, it's not like anyone's buying them. So this, I actually like this a lot. You put it on and then you can, if you had 2 hands, it'd probably be easier, but Gemma, no, Gemma, hey, Gemma. Oh, this freaking cat, she jumped right next to my boxes of holiday warmers. Nice. Now she's digging in the Jolly Ranchers. Very, very nice. So You can tighten it as much as you want. It has a little band on the back that says Scentsy, and it's fragranced in coconut daiquiri on the front. And this is like a ceramic butterfly, I think. I'm sure you're not supposed to do that with your teeth, but if you had somebody helping you, it'd be simpler. This would be such a cute idea for a kid. I know if you are not like somebody who super pays attention to stuff Scentsy is coming out with in the future. Gemma, no. Gemma, no. Gemma, no. Don't do it. Hey. She loves jumping in my cube organizer next to my warmers. Like in the little box, she jumps in there. Drives me nuts. Like, you can't be in there. If you had like a little kid, this would be such a good idea for them. It's so cute. It really does smell good. I love coconut daiquiri. So like I said, if this stays in the clearance, I might just pick up more, honestly. But they are coming out with those like scented rope bracelet things later this month, I think. So I'll probably check out those as well. I just didn't really want to pay full price for this because at the time my budget just wasn't there. But now that they're like a few dollars, I'm like, why not? Okay, next let's get into car fragrance. So I did a 6-pack of car bars. I did Welcome Home, Vanilla Bean Buttercream, Snowberry. Gemma. Hey, Gemma. Gemma, you can't jump up there. It's like having a baby, I swear. Gemma, no. Hey, hang on. Here, I'll give you a twisty tie if you're good, okay? Jim. There you go. Literally, it's like having a baby. Okay, I told you I got Snowberry, and then Apple and Cinnamon Sticks, Autumn Hearth, Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl. So I'm really excited for these. I feel like this Autumn Hearth is either very scented or from last year because look at the back. It's like super stained. This Welcome Home's kind of the same, but I know this is like very cinnamon heavy. I don't want to say very cinnamon heavy. I feel like that scares people. Also for car fragrances, I got a pumpkin roll, scent circle, 2 farm stand pumpkin, autumn sunset, autumn hearth, apple and cinnamon sticks. Do you see a theme? It's all kind of the same. You're gonna see it with the wax too. And then I actually ended up getting the 4-pack of the Radiator Springs Cars scent circles because they were in the clearance and they're so cute. So this is, I don't know if they have certain things. It's like all of them together. What's her name? I loved Cars back in the day. This is Lightning McQueen. Mater. Is her name Sally? I feel like that's wrong. That doesn't seem right, but me and my brother like absolutely loved Cars. I don't know what this scent smells like. I think it's like kind of cherry heavy, but I'm gonna put these in my customers' orders because they were in the clearance section on a good deal and I think they're cute. And why not? I mean, why not, right? What better than a Cars fragrance in your car? That's all I'm saying. Okay. Let's go through the wax. So I got 2 breakfast in bed. I got 2 pumpkin roll. I feel like, be good. Hey, be good. Jen, everyone on here thinks you're good, but you're not good. You're naughty girls sometimes. Oh, now she's gonna lay down. Good girl. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot what I wanted to tell you about my order this time. This one seems like it has more bakery, but it kind of seems light. But also, I have a feeling these are all fairly freshly poured because this is the first order that I've got non-scent of the month products with the new backs, the new clams. And also, some of the scents I got did not have the updated clamps. So I have a feeling these ones are maybe a little bit older, and these ones are more freshly poured because they do have the updated clamshells. So that's my theory on the pumpkin roll. I got 3 Autumn Hearth. I've never had this one, but my mom raves about it, and it really smells good. So I'm really excited to try it this year. Literally, my mom, like, is head over heels for that scent. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. Also, not super bad to like have some on hand in case she wants it. Autumn Sunset, this one's purple. Never had this one either. This one smells very waxy to me for some reason, but also very freshly poured. Like I can't, earlier I couldn't get it out of the clam. Ooh, cinnamon. This one smells very fresh. This definitely needs to like sit for a bit. It kind of just smells waxy. Clove and cinnamon, this one's pretty spicy. But somebody I follow here on YouTube was like, it's so homey, I love this scent. So I was like, I'm gonna give it a shot, but I'm a little bit nervous for it. Farm Stand Pumpkin, this one I'm not super hot on when I tried it last year, but it smells so good in the clam. But last year I remember it being like kind of spicy. I don't know, it smells so good in the clam, so I'm just not sure. I'm gonna try it again. First I was like, I don't want to try it again, but I'm gonna try it again. And then I got 2 apple and cinnamon sticks. I love this one. I know some people don't, but also I feel like it's kind of a really good seller because it's like a very like classic seasonal scent. I don't know, I could be wrong though. And then the last 2 things I got are to round out a 6-pack of licensed bars I did. The other ones were in the holiday collection. The first one's Halloween Town. I love this one. Still available when I'm filming this in the Harvest collection, so I wanted to pick it up. And then I also wanted to try the Muppets fragrance. So I did pick up this. It's a very green wax. This kind of reminds me of like a lime. And like, honestly, it kind of reminds me of like a green Jolly Rancher. Not that I like green Jolly Ranchers, but that's what it makes me think of. But also it makes me think of like a lime candy, which I wouldn't typically eat, or like a green apple, like sour green apple candy. I don't know, it's very interesting and also a little bit too late in the season for me. This came out a while ago though. But I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna make up some samples for my VIP customers. So that is everything I got in this party close haul. Like I said, I did close it out with my holiday scents, so it's kind of like a twofold here. And then I ordered my seasonal bricks in this haul as well, but I didn't show them here. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on them. So stay tuned for that. So that's everything I have for this video. Me and Gemma say goodbye. See you next time.